Hi friends, welcome back to Orash YouTube channel. Today I will tell you what's the difference between saturation and vibrance. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, I have this image open in Adobe Photoshop, and if I go to the create new adjustment layer icon, click it and choose vibrance adjustment layer. You can see we have a new adjustment layer on top of the background layer, and if I try to increase the saturation towards 100%, you see we have all the colors boosted within the image. I will turn this back to 0. Now if I try to increase the vibrance slider towards the right side till 100, you see we still have boosted colors in image, but this looks somehow natural. So what's really going on? Let me show you. Once again, I will move this slider back towards 0. Notice when I increase the saturation slider, those colors which are already saturated or intense, they will also be boosted by the saturation. See, so the yellow color is becoming more intense, or if you look in this area on the arm of this girl, you see more yellow color is also produced here. So that's how saturation works. It saturates all colors within the image, but that's not how vibrance works. Vibrance only saturates color which are not already too much saturated. So let's put this into test. See, if you look in the background here, where there's a blue color and the bokeh is going on in the background, and if I try to increase the vibrance slider, you can see it's working more on those colors which aren't already saturated enough. So this is the main difference between vibrance and saturation. If you want to pop colors in the images quickly, I would recommend using the vibrance slider instead of the saturation slider.